We have some big news coming in. Government sources say that 234 hospitalizations and 71 deaths post-vaccination. Government is still in the process of establishing a link between the deaths and the vaccine. It could or could not be linked. No blood clots seen here in any of the vaccine recipients, say sources. It's quite shocking. We're looking at government sources now saying that 234 hospitalizations and 71 deaths reported post the vaccination drive. The government is still in the process of establishing a link between the deaths and the vaccine here. It could or could not be linked. Nonetheless, no blood clots have been seen in any of the vaccine recipients as per sources, considering we're looking at the situation across Europe where many of the European Union countries have banned or rather suspended the AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine. Locally in India, the AstraZeneca vaccine is called Covishield, developed by Serum Institute. Here we're looking at 90% of the vaccines in India which has already been distributed is AstraZeneca's Covishield. Now, inputs coming in that at least 70 people have succumbed post the vaccination. 234 people have been hospitalized post-vaccination. Sneha Murdani is following this up, giving us some insight into it. Sneha, it's quite nerve-wracking to say the least that 234 people have been hospitalized, 71 people have lost their lives post the vaccination, but still no link established between the vaccine and this adversity. What more do we know of this?
Yes, absolutely. It's extremely important to point out here, and I want to do it, time and again, that 71 deaths after vaccination does not mean, Nabila, that this is related to the vaccine, and this is something that the Government of India is in the process of studying as well. There is a separate committee for adverse events after immunization, and that has met twice already in this week alone. It met once yesterday. It is meeting today as well to assess the situation. Also, there is a bit of a rectification there as far as the total number of hospitalization. It's around 130 is what one of the sources within this group has indicated to us, that it is looking at the reason for the deaths. 70 deaths because of Covishield, 1 death because of Covaxin. Now, I say because of, after these doses have been given to the person concerned who succumbed, but it could be or could not be. In fact, the source just told me that because if I get a vaccine now and if I were to go to a hospital 10 days later, it may or may not be because of the vaccine. There is an entire process that is involved in studying adverse effects of the vaccine, including serious adverse effects and also deaths, and that is something that is a process that's going on essentially in the country. Like I mentioned just now, one meeting yesterday, one today, and it's a rolling review is the term that has been used by the source, who is in fact a part of this committee, that we look at all the deaths very carefully, because to arrive at a conclusion that because a person took a vaccine and he died even 15 days later, to link it with the vaccine is unfair.
Right.
Not just unfair, it's unscientific, and hence an entire review has to be done. Yes, 71 people who have got these vaccines, 70 of them Covishield, 1 of them Covaxin, has died in the country, and round about 130 hospitalizations after the vaccine was
All right, Sneha, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We're eagerly waiting what the report of this investigation would really tell, because we're looking at over 3 crore, close to 3.5 crore people across the country, frontline workers, senior citizens who've got this vaccine jab. 90% of the vaccines that they've got is of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 Covishield vaccine here in India, and we're looking at 70 odd deaths and over 150 odd people who've been hospitalized, 130 people who've been hospitalized after the vaccine, after receiving the vaccine shot. The government now yet to find out if at all the death or the hospitalization has been linked with the vaccine or not. A thorough probe currently underway.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.